Welcome to this peaceful space of calm and healing. As you prepare for a restful night, take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Let your body relax as you close your eyes and release the weight of the day. Take a deep breath in. Feel your lungs gently expand. Hold for a moment. And then exhale slowly, letting go of any tension or worry. Breathe in deeply once more. Hold and exhale, sinking deeper into relaxation. With each breath, you're letting go of the day's concerns and inviting peace, rest, and healing into your body. Continue to breathe slowly and calmly, allowing your body to soften and unwind. Now, begin to relax your body, starting at your toes. Let them soften and feel the tension melt away. Slowly, let this feeling move up through your legs, your hips, your stomach, releasing all tightness. Feel your chest soften, your shoulders relax, and your arms become light. Let go of any tension in your neck, jaw, and face, allowing your entire body to be at ease. Sinking deeper into your bed, your body is now fully relaxed, calm, and open to rest and healing. Now allow these simple, calming affirmations to wash over you. I am relaxed and at peace. My body is healing as I rest. I am safe. I am well. I am grateful for my health. My mind and body are calm. I release all stress and tension. I am ready for deep, peaceful sleep. Let these words gently guide you into a state of deep relaxation. Know that you are safe, supported, and cared for in this moment. Now, imagine a soft, warm light surrounding you, filling you with calm and healing energy. This light flows through every part of your body, bringing peace, balance, and restoration. With every breath, this light becomes brighter, filling you with comfort and health. As you rest, know that your body is healing, restoring, and renewing itself. You are fully relaxed, fully at peace, and ready for a deep, rejuvenating sleep. As you drift deeper into sleep, let these final affirmations guide you into rest. I am calm. I am safe. I am at peace. My body is restoring itself as I sleep. I am thankful for this moment of rest. I welcome peaceful, healing sleep. Take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, let yourself drift into a deep and peaceful sleep. Your mind and body are now in harmony, ready for a restful night. Rest well, knowing you are safe and supported. Allow yourself to fully relax into the peace of the night. Thank you for joining this meditation. Sweet dreams. Be sure to like and subscribe for more calming meditations.